For diesel workshops who repair common rail injectors, the need of a solution to generate correction codes for reconditioned injectors is a necessity. Correction, or trim codes, provide an engine's ECU with a calculated offset, to ensure all injectors work cohesively, and engine performance is optimized. Merlin Diesel Systems S1000 Coding Software offers a solution which includes over 200 part numbers for Bosch, Delphi, Continental, Denso and Perkins. Additionally, the S1000 Coding Solution gives users the ability to test any injector in our database, on any of the following test benches: Bosch, EPS 200, 205, 708 and 815. Hartridge Sabre Series, CRIPC, and AVM2PC, and is integrated with the Merlin S4000 Mark II and S8000. We also offer a free trial version of this software with a selected choice of injector data, the perfect way for any diesel workshop to discover whether our S1000 Coding Software Solution is the right investment for your business.